Garaine pa. So there is a conversation men were having, and one of the gentlemen was saying that he doesn't mind dating a single mom, but then he wants nothing to do with the kids, and he doesn't want to shrink his dating pool. I'm gonna play the clip and hear your thoughts.
I don't mind dating women who have kids, but I don't want to see the kids. I don't want to deal with the kids. Because my thing is, I'm there for you. I'm not there for the kids.
So
Like,
you would
I'm
date
there-
a single mom, you just wouldn't take her seriously.
No, I'm going to take her seriously. I'm going to treat her the way she wants to be treated. But I don't want to deal with the kids.
Are you-
So
you
I'm
saying
not there for
forever?
the kids.
How does that work, bro?
How does that work, bro? That's the question, hey? So, can you truly love a woman while completely avoiding the biggest part of her life? That's her child or children, yeah? Is that a deal breaker or a fair personal boundary? And what are your thoughts for, setting that boundary? Let's talk about it. 0772162651. So we talk about it because there are people who have actually gone to marry people with children or with a child and completely not be concerned whatsoever about the child. There are cases where mai vakabva vatongoenda vakatosiya vana because panenge patotaurwa kuti paground chaipo chaipo mwana wako or vana vako they can accommodate. So I think these are the conversations to have. I'd also want to know from you, pane vari musituation iyo here kuti sure nantori nevana vangu and takato agree mudiwa Janeti, even for the man if it's the other way round. Muna achitoziva not kuti aivanzirwa because vaivanzirwa you can understand, but then muna achitoziva kuti munhu ane mwana or vana and then they choose to pursue them. And now that they are with them, they then decide, I don't want your kids to be a part of our chapter. And it's really heartbreaking. Kuti, I've seen women then choose the husbands and the new life and leave the children behind. I'm like, there are a lot of options for you. If you're that person, please.
I don't want to shrink my dating pool.
It's shrunk already if you're not wanting to accommodate a person's child. So go for the people who do not have children. There are plenty of those people. If you're a woman and you're not ready to raise someone else's child, but I can't love someone else's child, then go for the guys who don't have kids. If you are a man the other way around, go for the women with no kids. Dating pool
shrinka.
Go for the people with no kids.
25 vakatoita kids ndane 15.
It's crazy, eh? It's so crazy. I think it's so unfair to do that to someone. And for the people who then chose their kids, and for the kids who have their moms vakatozo choose, I think kudara zvanzvakanyanya aesthetic. But then now, I know of a person actually, and it said kuti mwana wacho atosvike pamba atoziva kuti vanogara kupi. And iye anenge ari the other side of Zimbabwe, and mwana otokura. Imagine the trauma. Why did you not go for a person who did not have kids if you didn't want to accommodate mwana wemwe? Because you can love a person's kid as your own. You can. It's a choice, and you can. You love their child equally, or their children. Sister Lewe, mabuka say,
tamuka kana mamkawa
mati muri kutoda iye ane vana kana kuti ane mwana asi hamusikuda vana.
Ko inini ndiri kuda zvekuita uye I want to be someone's wife, someone's husband, not father. So I can't choose kuti I can be someone's personal person ndorega kuta baba or amai. Makutondishrinksira ka.
No, but then let's talk about it. Let's be real. Let's talk. Let's hear.
So, this guy.
Iwewe. So awuna mwana izvezvi nti.
Yeah.
And then you date someone ane mwana uri kutomuda, but then hausi utanga nevana. So why don't you break? Because hausi kutoona kuti haisi yako munhu already.
Kawani out of 10 kaka.
Vana vato everything out of 10. I'm telling you.
It's not doable. you can't do that. But I'm also going to say a thumbs up, which is not really a thumbs up to this guy for having to speak up before they get into the relationship.
Kuti munhu obva watoziva.
Over watoziva, and you know what you're getting in. Could this woman doesn't like the kids.
Those
And
people, kudos to them.
watone informed uyu anobva ataura kuti no. So imagine a situation unyasonzwa mataura angachita this man is not just saying it for the sake of conversation. You can hear it in its kuti ari kutorevesa kuti he doesn't want to deal with the kids. And vanhu vakadaro usually they also have got kids.
Vamwe vachona they have kids, vamwe vachona they don't have kids.
Asi vazhinji vacho vanovanzodaro they don't have kids.
Yeah.
Vane, but they I mean they have kids, but vane kamwe kakuda unfairness nekakufunga kuti ivo vake vana ndo vana chete vemwe munhu havasi vana. Koita vamwe vekuti they have really expressed that they don't like their kids. Now you know for a plan handiti. Koita vamwe vari nonchalant when it comes to your kids. Like havana kuramba, havana kubvuma. But at least their actions vanongoita zvelife yavo newe nemhuri havana kuramba anotouya mwana but anongotaka kuignorewa like it's all part of they like vasingamuone. And you can't come up and say kuti partner yangu akaramba or akabvuma. They said nothing.
But vastori invested kuona kuti mwana atotreatwa the same and they're not excluded.
Atoya kuholiday mwana. Yes, amuona maswera say antodaira, but nothing beyond that.
Yeah. So that's another category. Because category kuti avana kutaura pfungwa yavo senge yemurume. But then after people then got married, munhu ndopa akatozoziva kuti mwana they can't come. Zvakatozoita spelled out.
Because we are also thinking it's something that we assume. Could I'm dating someone anemwana. So obviously mwana iwo kutongondida kwako we assumed kuti the yes that you did you also said yes to everything and everyone involved in this. We come as a package deal.
Because you're thinking it's not a question that I should ask. Kuti kana chitozoti ndine mwana.
Buy one get one free. I was not for the buy one get one free type of thing. I thought I was saying yes to this marriage specifically to you, not the kids. We also assumed.
No, that assumption is actually wrong for someone with kids because kids avasi vanu. I think that it's an extra thing that you can then leave there. They are part of you. So if you then want a person, you want them with every part of them because they're key components. You can't separate a person and
that's what you think.
No.
That's
you
what
can't. I'm saying you can't. You can't. There's an option. There are people, guys. Vakatonaka vanokwanisa kutokuda the same, kana uri kuda zviri kunze package yekunze kana kuti mukati vatori right vanototika maboxes vasina vana than kuda kuzoseparata
vasikuwanika. Now I'm shrinking my dating pool. Kari selfish ka?
Yes, I want to hear though from parents who were in that same situation with weekend ndakatozorora ndikaona kuti murume wangu hadi vana vangu kana kuti mukadzi wangu anga asikadi vana vangu but then we were dating we okay iwe utoriwe mwana wacho nokuti mama wakabva watongoti siya and she started her life because those kids they are bitter because they suffer from resentment. Yokuti mom maybe she's actually living so comfortably the other part of the city and then there you are the other side.
I think we should come with a different term for vano data when they've got kids. I think they need to be. We can't single dating vana dating. I think there's a different type of dating whereby we are collecting data. We're also talking and planning with vana vedu vatrukusanganisa vachagara sei. It's a different type of dating. You're going to a movie and eating popcorn and when you've got kids, we need to start talking about schools. We are talking about vacation.
Okay, so if you then
we're
get
talking
married,
about accommodation.
Now they say, what's going to happen? What are your thoughts? What do you think?
Wotopika kuti tukutaura hedu but muna plan in vano. And I think there should be a different term for that sort of dating. Yakatosiyana. Abantu vanokura mavunza noti mumwa mapirita pe BP. When you've got kids, it's a different type of dating.
Exactly.
You're looking at schools. You're looking at houses. Accommodate vana vangani and not.
But you anditi
isusu kana tichidata tine vana tiri kudata as if we are single people. That's where the problem is.
And not talking
about real issues.
Most important, issue here, which are the kids as well. It is Madidido.
Aye.